All right, just as a reminder, this is how you're going to export your file and then turn it into a G-code in the slicer. So we're going to export it up here in Tinkercad. We're going to export it as an STL. That's a stereolithographic print. Now we have it downloaded down here. So we've already got Cura open, and we're going to choose which type of printer we're going to use, and we're going to use the monoprice here. I'm just going to click and drag this over into Cura. And there it is. There's the part. It's a low detail draft. We're going to make the infill 10% because it really isn't that beefy of a part. And then we're going to slice it. So it's going to take an hour and 2 minutes to print. Use 14 grams of filament. And we're going to save that to the removable drive. Actually, in this case, we're going to save it to the computer. Okay, and that's going to save it as a G-code. So you'll want to remember this file name, and that is how you slice it.